Do you have one of these ugly tables that's hidden away until you have a large dinner? Then you hurry up and cover it before anybody can see it? Not anymore. With some inexpensive pine boards, let's make a tabletop that you'll be proud for everybody to see. Use a miter saw to cut the 1x3-inch pine boards. After you've measured the perimeter of your table, you'll use these boards around the edge as an overhang. Make sure you drill pilot holes and then use a countersink bit so nobody sees your screws. Now let's put the top together. Glue the 1x12-inch boards together using wood glue, then clamp them until they're dry. Now attach the 1x3s to the edge using wood screws and wood glue. Now for the fun, stain your table a color that you love. I went with Early American. Wipe off the excess stain with a soft cloth and apply a coat of wax. Wait, that's the same ugly table? No way! I hope this inspires you to show your ugly table some love.